Hola y buenos días. Hola amigos. Yo soy Ruth, soy profesora de español y I want to give you la confianza para hablar en español o con español, with Spanish, con un poco de inglés maybe. Okay, and that's why I call my channel Learn Spanish through Spanglish, because nobody starts perfect. We have to aprender. La clase de hoy es clase número 59 en este curso, which follows this book, Pasos. And you can estudiar con el libro o sin el libro. Esta clase se titula, is titled, ¿Cómo es? Y como es means what's he like, what's she like, or even what are you like if we're using the usted form. ¿Cómo es? Entonces, you could answer that question with adjetivos para describir el carácter de una persona. ¿Cómo es? Oh, es simpático. He's pleasant, es chistoso, y es inteligente, y es hablador, he's chatty. Or if it's a woman, es chistosa, y es simpática, y muy habladora. Okay, so adjetivos have to agree with the noun that they describe. And if you want to know more about how to describir el carácter de una persona, you need to perhaps revisit clase número 48. We're on 59 ahora. Y vamos a describir una persona físicamente. We're only going to learn a few words today. So, 6 palabras, 3 elementos, una clase muy fácil. ¿Comenzamos? ¿Cómo es? What's he like? You could have es alto o bajo. He's tall or he's short. Es alto, es bajo. And if you're describing a woman, es alta or es baja. That's the first dos palabras. Next we have es delgado, he's slim, or es gordo. And then the last 2 words are about the colouring. So es moreno, and that's a dark colouring, or es rubio, and that's blonde or very pale, rubio. Okay. Vamos a estudiar estas 6 palabras. First of all, alto. Es alto. He's tall. Es muy alto. He's very tall. Y es posible recordar la palabra because it comes from the same root that gives us altimetro. If you're a pilot, un piloto, altimetro tells you your height from the ground. Y altitude tells us the height of una montaña, or the height of un avión, a plane. So, es alto, or es alta. Y baja is low or short, and we have otras palabras en español like bajar, and bajar means to get down. So if you're en el autobús, you could say to el conductor, Señor, quiero bajar aquí. So I want to get down here, I want to get off here. Quiero bajar. Okay, so bajar, and bajo is short, or it's low as well, bajo. So el país bajo is Netherlands, which is the low country, el país bajo. Right, The other thing about your height is people don't say how tall are you, they say what do you measure. So, ¿qué mides? Por ejemplo, yo mido 1,70 m, 1,70 m. Now, en Inglaterra, y creo que en los Estados Unidos también, usamos feet and inches. That's still muy común. Entonces, a foot is un pie and an inch is una pulgada. So pulgar is your thumb. Now my thumb is bigger than an inch, but there you go. Maybe that bit's an inch. So, entonces, yo mido 5 pies y 7 pulgadas, if you're interested. ¿Qué mides? Bien. I would like you to just anotar las personas más altas que tú conoces, that you know. Por ejemplo, el padre de mi hija es muy alto, perdón. Y la persona más baja que tú conoces, that you know. Por ejemplo, for me, una colega que se llama Janet es muy bajita. And I can say bajita to make it sound cute. Okay, because she's cute. Hola, Janet. Bueno, moving on. You're not going to forget the words for tall and the word for short. Now we're going to learn the words for fat and thin. So fat is gordo. El padre de mi hija se llama Gordon. He's actually quite delgado. But gordo means fat. And you can think if you gorge yourself, maybe that would make you fat. And if you want to say that to get fat, por ejemplo, no quiero to get fat, that is, no quiero engordarme. Okay? So it's nice to learn una familia de palabras. The word for slim or thin is delgado. And there is another word, otra palabra. So this is the third one for this categoría, and that is flaco. So flaco is slim, and that could be used as a noun as well. Hola flaco, hello slim. Hola flaca. There's a great song. I'll tell you about it al final del video. You have to listen to it. It's perhaps the best song in the Spanish language, en mi opinión. Okay, so no vas a olvidar, you're not going to forget, las palabras en español for fat and thin. Think about Gordon and think about delgado. Okay, if you've ever watched Modern Family, you have Manny Delgado. He's a character on that particular sitcom. Ahora, las últimas dos palabras son moreno y rubio. Let's learn the word moreno primero. So, moreno is brown, no? Dark skin, dark haired. You could call somebody moreno por el pelo castaño, which is a chestnut color hair, or negro. So, una persona que tiene el pelo negro o castaño, you could say es moreno o es morena. También por la piel. Si una persona tiene la piel marrón o like brown skin, puedes decir que la persona es morena, ¿sí? Y rubia means blonde or fair, like it's often called gringo in America Latina. Rubia means blonde. So, la piel blanca o rosada, la persona es rubia. You could ask somebody, bueno, eres muy moreno. You're very brown. ¿Dónde fuiste? Where did you go? Eres muy moreno. See? You got a big suntan. Eres moreno. Y el color puede cambiar. De niña yo era más morena y ahora estoy más rubia. Y mis hermanos, cuando eran bebés, tenían el pelo blanco, rubio blanco, y ahora, bueno, un poco gris. But when they were, as they grew up, they got más moreno. Ahora, alto, bajo, gordito, a little fat, delgado, moreno, rubio, no importa, eres una persona con defectos y con cualidades y con esperanzas. That's a lovely word, it means hopes. Con tus esperanzas. Y tú mereces, that's another lovely word, mereces means you deserve. Tú mereces el amor y el respeto y el color y alto, bajo, gordo, flaco, no importa. What I would like you to do is memorizar estas palabras. You could do it like Kim's game, which is putting all of the words you want to learn on cards, shuffling them, taking one out, and then looking which one's missing. ¿Cuál falta? And that means which one's missing. ¿Cuál falta? And then figure it out. If you can't figure it out, have a look at them all again. You could describir las personas, and it would be nice to incluir la ropa. You could go back to, it was class, 56 and 57, to learn how to describir la ropa de la persona. If you have Pasos, página 88, you've got photographs here, and you could describir las personas. It's probably Penelope Cruz and people like that. And por favor, listen to this song. I'll put a link up here, card. It's by Jarabe de Palo. It's called La Flaca. I love it. I will also put a link in the description so you can read the lyrics en inglés y en español. Wonderful song. I hope you like it. Come back, vuelve pronto, because we're going to estudiar opening hours. We're still in Unit 6. We're talking about shops normally, a little side tour for describing people today. I would like you, por favor, to subscribe and like the video. It really helps me. And if you know anyone who'd like to estudiar español, send them to learn Spanish with Spanglish. And my Pasos course is there waiting for them gratis. So, enjoy the rest of your day y nos vemos pronto. Adiós.